Looking to earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals quickly? Online surveys offer a convenient way to do just that. Explore the top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site presents different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, it's important to consider factors like reputation, the number of surveys available, and payout methods. To maximize your earnings, be sure to complete profiles thoroughly, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Adopting best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software can also enhance your survey-taking experience. Be cautious of warning signs that may indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. However, rest assured that surveys for money are legitimate endeavors, typically taking only about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some survey sites even offer instant cash or provide signing bonus points. Remember, companies rely on individuals like you to provide valuable market research and consumer feedback through surveys. Start making money today by participating in online surveys and contributing to the growth of businesses worldwide.